In this video, we will create typography design hack in Canva. Let's see these stunning text effects how to create. So open a blank video page, select text, let's write letter. Now select font, glacial indifference. Increase this text size. Place it in the middle. Now unselect this bold. Click on effects, outline. Select color white. Now click on share, download. Select PNG and click on download. Click on effects. From here select none. Now upload downloaded image. Let's place it here. Click on elements. Here in the search box, search for flowers. Click on photos. Let's select this one. Now go to apps. In the search box, search for Blender image. Click on this app, blend image. Now here, select this image for top layer and select this image for bottom layer and click on add to design. This design will be added to the page. Now delete these images. We have only these two now. Now increase its size. Now place it here just above this letter. Now click on layers, show layers. Duplicate this layer and place it below the text letter. Now from here, reduce its size so that you can see the white letter A. Adjust its position. Now click on elements. In the search box, search for shadow. Let's select this shadow and rotate it. Let's place it here. Reduce its transparency and duplicate this. And it will show like this. I hope you like this video. Kindly share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.